Hello everybody, welcome to the Mimi and Lala channel. I'm Mimi and welcome to your one-stop shop for beauty and fitness. If this is your first time stopping by our channel, welcome. And we hope that you enjoy this beauty related video, and if you'd like to see fitness related videos, then we will link some down below. So today's video we are going to be unboxing the June BOXYCHARM box and creating a look with whatever is in there. I know that it's almost the end of June, but I feel like whatever is in here can really work for the summer, mostly because I already kind of know what's in here because my box comes really late in the month. I don't know why. So I just got it this past weekend. So yes, let's get right into the video. So opening it up, first thing I want to talk about is this Sol de Janeiro, oh, like Rio de Janeiro. Okay, and it's a fast absorbing body cream and it helps tighten and smooth like no other, is what it says. And I've already tried this and it smells so good, and it literally makes your skin feel super soft. I think this is probably one of those products that I'll end up buying, but it literally leaves your skin feeling super soft, and it smells so good. It just smells like summer, so definitely like that one. I think this is like, we have some brushes, and I actually like these brushes. I've gotten a few from Ipsy Bags. They are the Luxie brand. I have the blush brush, which I've got in an Ipsy Bag 1 month, and I use this one quite a bit actually. And I also have a few other eyeshadow brushes, this medium angled brush, and then this dual ended one, which is nice because it's got sort of this fluffy one and then this more tapered one. If you watched my going from work to work it video, which I'll link up here, in the work it part I talk about this brush and owning a brush like this, a dual ended brush that has a nice fluffy end and then a tapered end, so that it makes your eyeshadow applying that much quicker if you're in a hurry. So I do like these brushes, so I feel like I am going to like these. This is the Precision Foundation, so it's kind of tapered. The Duo Fiber powder. So this one is a little bit more sparse in hair. It's not as dense as. And then we have this highlighter tapered brush, which is actually close to one that I use that is, I don't even know from where, but I like brushes like this to apply highlighter. So now is when we'll actually get into using the products that are in here. So the first one that I have is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1, and it's very summery, very yellow. I love mustard yellow, so I love this. And then when you open it, it's super summery. It has a little plastic. And these shadows are really pretty. There's 8 shadows, and they range from delicate shimmers to high shine metallics, and of course the matte shades. These top 4 shades are more of the metallic / high shine shades, and if you notice in next to the names there's little water droplets, so that means that you can use your brush wet to probably intensify the high shine or the metallic of it. And then the 4 bottom ones have a sun next to them, and that just means obviously that you can use them dry. So these are really pretty colors. I love the names too. Guantanamera, Banana Guantanamera, Cafecito, Celia, probably like Celia Cruz. So this reminds me a lot of, I don't use the nail polish. I don't purchase Kathleen Light's nail polishes because I get my nails done. But I know that her summer collection was Havana inspired, Cuban inspired from her heritage. So this reminds me a lot of it. So I actually noticed that I also have another Luxie Precision Foundation brush. This one's the 660. Actually, they're both 660, but they're not the same brush. So this one is bigger in size. They have the same tapered shape, but yeah, so I don't know if this is their actual new Precision Foundation 660 brush or if this one was an old one. I don't even remember where I got this one, but I don't actually use this one for foundation. I use it for contouring since it's got that tapered dense shape. So yeah, there's that little ditty for you. So we've got our eyes mostly done. This shade is literally my favorite. It's beautiful. So we've got our face done for the most part, our eyebrows. So the next product is this Jante Blue charcoal eyeliner pencil. So we're going to use this one to tightline our eyes and just do a very small line on top of our eyelid so that we can try the Battenton lashes, which also came in the box, and these are the Monroe 3D and they are silk lashes, so they look really nice and I like the packaging. So we're gonna do those two right now. Okay, lashes are on and I like them. I mean, I like them with this look because they're not too dramatic, so I could still see the drama of the shadow. They are a thicker band, which I like, is fine. I don't think that you'd be able to wear them just on their own without doing a liner like I did. They're really nice lashes. They feel nice. They feel comfortable. So I've never tried that brand, so yeah. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Celia and then put La Costa right in the inner corner a bit, just to layer it on top. Just so that I use all the shades, you know. The last product in this month's the last product in this month's BOXYCHARM box is the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in shade Verona, which is this mauve nude. I do have to say they've been sending a lot of nude lipsticks. I also have to say I like that this one's a liquid lipstick because that's my favorite type of lipstick. I would like to see some color, but I can't complain because these are really pretty colors. So okay, so we are done. We've used every single product, literally, because I even used every single shadow in here. So there's only 8 shadows and you can create a complete crazy look like this. But I have to say, I like it. I like the color combinations and I dig it. Let's get into our final thoughts. Alrighty, so my final thoughts are that this month's box this month's box products are fairly nice and you can pretty much create a full look. Sometimes they send stuff where you may not necessarily create a full look with it, but this month, I mean, I've got my eyeshadow, I've got my lashes, I've got my lip, I've got brushes to do my face, I've got liner, although I do have to say I think that this is the only flop because it's not very pigmented and it didn't really slide onto my eye. So yeah, I'd have to say that this is the only product that I didn't really care for. I think my favorite was obviously the palette. I had so much fun with it, and literally, I mean, the mattes are really pretty shades. They're like the burgundies and the oranges. I'm like a sucker for those. And then the metallic high shine shades, I actually only used water. I didn't even use like a setting spray or anything like that. I just dipped my brush in water for the El Malecón shade, and it's literally so pretty. And then I didn't use any water for the rest of the shades that I used, but they're still pretty blinding and pretty metallic on their own. So yeah, this is actually a really great palette, and you get it for like $20, and I think it's worth like $28 or something like that. Yeah, so this is definitely my favorite product. The eyelashes are fairly nice. I mean, I feel like you can never have enough lashes. And the lip is a color that I would wear, and it feels comfortable. And what else? The brushes, you can never have enough brushes. So there's that. But yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, enjoyed me going through the products, maybe got ideas on how to use the shadows in the palette if you have your June box. And thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, if you wouldn't mind leaving a like on this video, that would be amazing. And also consider subscribing to the Mimi and Lala channel to get your beauty and fitness all in one with two of us. So it's like a 2-for-1 deal thing. But anyway, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.